Okay, this is a door trim panel removal from a 2017 Chevy Cruze, probably the same as a 2018 and a 2016. So the first thing you have to do is get in behind this trim panel here by the door switches with a flat little screwdriver. Give it a little pop, and then it just slides out in this corner here. And up here by the handle, there's a little trim panel there. Same thing, just pops out with a flat little screwdriver. That comes out. Then you got a screw in here, which is the number 7. That just unscrews. And then there's a couple here. We got one there, we got one there. Same thing. And another one just over here. Same thing. And in the bottom corner over here is another one. Same thing, number 7. I don't know why they use long screws for a little thin piece of plastic, but that's what they do. Okay. Then we're going to need a flat pry bar under here. Usually I go under here. Give it just a little snap. Then a little snap. Now on the top corners here, I think they got bigger ones that are a little tougher. And we got that one clean. And this side, same. Now it should just slide out. One and just slide her up and over that lip. Okay. Then on the back side here, you will have your door handle, which you just press that and pull. That comes off, and then you will have this harness here that just unplugs underneath here on the switch. That's it. 2017 Chevy Cruze door trim panel removal.